channel. I'm JasmineLatishea. Thank you for tuning in. And today we're going to be speaking about ketosis and getting into it faster. So I've been meaning to do this video for a couple of days now, and I accidentally slipped into ketosis. I know that's crazy, but I did, because I had been, every day I fast anyway, but I've been trying to really hone in on and concentrate on the stuff I've been messing up on, because I've been all over the place ever since I've been doing the exercising. So now I need to combine them. I done got the fasting part together first, then I got the exercising part that I'm still in the middle of now, and now everything needs to congeal and become one big unit. Okay, so I accidentally slipped into ketosis because I wanted to show you guys exactly what to do to get into it. So today I was at 15% concentration. So I'm gonna tell you step by step. The first thing you need to do, okay, is go out and get you some keto strips, right? Here's the box. Ketosis, keto sticks, okay? Reagent strips for urinalysis, okay? So go out and get this. Come in a bottle that looks like this. On the side, there's a chart. I went over it in one of the videos. So you're gonna urinate in a small cup or something, run it through your urine stream on the strips that come inside, okay? Once you urinate on it, you leave it for about 15-30 seconds. Then you're gonna see what level you are, on which level you are on the keto strip. As you can see, I'm right there at that level 1. This is none. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the highest level of ketones you can have. Okay, right now I'm on level 1. Earlier I was at level 2, but since I wanted to do the video, I drank something, and it brought me down right here. So what I'm coming in tomorrow too, you guys. So to show you that at the same time, which is it, 9:20. Now I'm not going to take in any, just make sure I'm not taking in any sugar, no high amount of carbs, probably over 50, no more sugar. What I did to get back down was I drank sugar. I drank an energy drink. Okay, so, and I'm still not out, I'm still in. If you're trying to lose weight, in my opinion, it makes no sense to not put yourself into ketosis. If you're doing a keto diet, the whole month of April, I've been trying to get into ketosis. I have not been getting into ketosis like that. You know why? I mean, some stuff I could have did differently, but I could not get into it. I just could not. Now I see why it take people weeks. So you need to spend the time fasting for over 18 hours per day, okay? So I haven't eaten anything yet today. So tonight, later on, I'll be eating, okay? But by this time tomorrow, 9:21, by 9:30 tomorrow, I will come back in and do another video and show you my ketosis strip. Okay, so every day, I hit ketosis yesterday, actually, when I slipped in, and it was at the low level, the 1%. Today I was at the 15%. Okay, and I'm sure I'll be between the second and the third level tomorrow when I come back and show you guys. But the only thing that I'm doing is making sure that I'm fasting for at least 18 hours or more. If you can do 20 or more, this is how you gonna get in there quick. Okay, if you're trying to lose weight, don't eat meals and try to wait on weight loss when you can be in ketosis and lose weight quicker. That's the whole point. Do this first. If you want to go on a keto diet, cool. Get into ketosis first. Okay? because you're restricting your calories and everything anyway. So the only thing you got to do is fast for a certain amount of time every day. Okay, so if you want to lose weight, get into ketosis. Like, even if you do something, and to me it's like an insurance policy, right? If I eat some noodles, if I eat some, I don't care what I eat. If I'm at the high level of ketosis, it will drop down, and I will still lose weight because I'm still inside, right? So whatever you do, you want to get inside of this first. This, you can find these at Walgreens. They're gonna be in the back with the diabetic stuff. So make sure you go get that first. Get into ketosis if you are trying to lose weight. And that is how. Have one meal a day at one set time. Make sure those times are 18 hours apart to help get you through the time while you're fasting. Keep on drinking liquids. You can have water. You can have teas. Even I'll drink energy drinks. Honestly, I'll drink energy drinks through mine. If anything, it'll slow it up, but it's not going to stop it. You see what I'm saying? I'm still not eating anything. Okay? And I was doing, at first I was doing energy drinks that were sugarless, but I noticed something about them. Aspartame will mess up your teeth. I haven't looked it up yet, but I don't have to look it up because I know for sure it start trying to mess up my teeth. And I was like, no, I'd rather just drink the ones with the sugar. So if you on aspartame while you trying to get into a good space, I would say you better limit that aspartame to a month, because I was only doing it for probably not even 2 months, and it started trying to mess with my teeth. So then I had to go buy some Act mouthwash, the one with the remineralization. Something popped up on my phone, made me tongue tied. So, okay, you guys, that is how you get into ketosis quicker. You fast. If you can do wet or dry fast, meaning one with water, one without, one with liquid, one without. The longer you go, the quicker the ketosis state will come. Do this for the first 2 to 3, but do it every day. But once you're in it, you can close in your hours on your in-minute schedule. Okay, you can go 16 to 8 like some people do. That means not eating 16 hours, eat for 8 hours. You can go to whatever schedule you want to. But first, concentrate on 18 hours, 18 to 24 hours. Even if you eat 20 hours in, 24 hours you reach autophagy, which means your body to start going in, killing weak or dead cells. It will start doing that for you at 24 hours. So sometimes I like to go 25 and 26 hours. That was in my first round though, where I was going over the 24, and I'll eat at the 25th or 26th hour, something like that. You know what I'm saying? Every day. I was eating every 26th, 25th hour. That's because I wanted to hit the autophagy, then come back down. Right? Give my body a couple hours to do that. So yeah, you guys, that's the only thing you got to do to get into ketosis. No matter, I don't care what diet you're doing. I don't care what you're doing. I'm telling you, ketosis is the truth. Okay, y'all. So make sure you comment, like, subscribe, and check out some of my other videos. Yeah, that's it. Thank you guys for watching. I ain't gonna say it again. Get to ketosis. All right, y'all. Bye.